Hey party people, it's Miss Saxon. Today we're continuing with our week 6, day 2 distance learning. This is for grade 1. Again, any of the grades K or 2 can do this. We're continuing on with our long vowel sounds with the silent E. And if you look at the words, we're going to read the words dive, broke, slide, vase, mule, cane, note, snake, globe, ride, huge, and tube. What we're going to do for this lesson is look at each word and we're going to divide it into categories, whether it's A, I, O, or U. So you might want some crayons or a highlighter if you have different color highlighters. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to underline the words that would go in our first column here for cake. So we're looking for words that have the A and then the silent E. It's going to have an A, a consonant, and silent E. So let's look at our first word, dive, I've. It's not making the A sound. Broke, broke. Is that making the A sound? No. Slide, slide. No A sound. Vase, vase. So that's one of our A sounds. So we're just going to underline that or highlight that with red or whatever color you choose. Just make sure that once you start with a color, you're going to stay with that same color. Mule, mule. No A sound. Cane, cane, cane. So we're going to underline that in red. Note, note. Snake, snake. That's our A sound. Globe, globe. Ride, ride. Huge, huge. Tube, tube. So we have 3 A sounds, and we're going to write those under our A right here. And we'll just put a little red here so you know this is the red row. So we have the word vase, snake, and cane. All right, so we're going to pick another color. So the next sound we're looking for is the long I sound. Five, five. We're going to put a little blue here. So anytime we see the I, a consonant, and E, or we hear the I sound, we're going to underline it with our next color, which I chose blue. So let's go back over our words. Do you remember this word? Dive, dive. So we hear the I sound. Broke, broke. We hear the O. We're looking for I. Slide, slide. Mule, mule. Note, note. Globe, globe. Ride, ride. So there we have the I sound. Huge, huge. Tube, tube. So we have 3 that we underlined with blue. Dive, slide, and ride. You're going to write those words under our I column. Dive. Slide. And then ride. Okay, we're going to pick a new color. I have green. You can pick whatever color you want to pick. And we're looking for words that have the O sound, that have an O, a consonant, and then the letter E. We don't have to, we can read the word that we already did. Dive. We already know that was the I sound. Broke. Broke. So that's an O sound. We know that slide has the I sound. Vase. What sound does that have? Vase. Vase. It has the A sound. Mule. Mule. Cane. Cane. That has the A sound. Note. Note. Has the O sound. Snake. Snake. Has the A. Globe. Globe. What sound do we hear? We hear the O here. And let's go ahead and circle the ones that we did in green so that we can make sure that we keep them separate from the other ones. And one that I skipped here was no oat. Did anybody catch that? I skipped that. No oat. That has the long O sound. Then we have ride. We already know that has the long I. Huge and tube has the long U. So let's, before we write we go ahead and write them. So we'll keep with what we were doing. We have broke. We then have note, Note. And then we have globe, Globe, globe. Okay, our last set of words we're looking for are words that have the long U sound, as in cute, cute. And we're going to do those brown. And how about we make a square around those? We've done dive, that has the long I sound. Broke has the long O sound. Slide has the long I sound. Vase has the long A sound. Mule has the long U sound, so we're going to put a square around that. Mule. Cane has the long A sound. Note has the long O sound. Snake has the long A. Globe has the long O. Ride has the long I. Huge, that has the long U, so that's one we're looking for. We're going to put a brown square. And then tube, that also has the long U, so we're going to put a square. So we're going to write the words that have a square around them, that have the long U under the U picture for cute. We have mule, M-U-L-E. We have huge, H-U-G-E. And we have tube, T-U-B-E. So this is what your paper should look like. You don't have to have underlined or circled or put a square in different colors, but it helps when you are separating your words. Now, my challenge or the bonus is for you to come up with your own words that have an A, a consonant, and then an E. To come up with a word that has an I, a consonant, and an E. To come up with a word that has an O, a consonant, and an E. And then a word that has a U, a consonant, and an E. So if you want to pause the video right now, you can. I'm going to give you some words that can fit in here, but there are so many other words that fit. But I can just come up with one now. If I do a C and a P that says cape, cape, cape. For an I could pick a B and a T, and that says bite, bite. For our O, I can put T and a T, and that's tote, tote. And then for our last one, what can you think of, anything? I'm gonna leave that blank and give this one an extra bonus for you to think of a word. And if you can put this word in the bottom, in the description box, to let me know that that is some things that you have done, and to show that you have participated. Again, remember, you can tell these words to your partner, or put them in the video, or write them here at the bottom to let me know that this is what you've done, and that will be your participation. Okay, see you in the next video.